During a cricket match, the position of the bowler, the wicket keeper, and the leg slip fielder are in the line given B vector, W vector, and F vector, respectively. Calculate the ratio in which the wicket keeper divides the line segment, joining the bowlers and the leg slip fielder. So, here we'll take the field and the position of the bowler, wicket keeper, and the leg slip fielder. So, yeah, will let me take this bowler A, A, B, C, and O. This will be bowler. This will be wicket keeper, and this will be fielder, leg slip fielder. So now the ratio they've given is K is to 1. Respectively, if I calculate the ratio in which the wicket keeper divides the line segment joining the bowler and the so joining the bowler and the leg slip fielder, we can keep it as K is to 1. So now we have K, K plus F, K plus 1, K plus 1 into OW vector equals. By taking your section formula, we can write we can write it as midpoint formula. We can take it as OW vector equals M, that is ratio MFO plus N into OB. Midpoint formula OB vector divided by M plus N. Now OW vector equals K. M and N is K. M is to N is K is to 1. That is K into OF vector plus 1 into that is OB vector divided by K plus 1. Now if you cross multiply it, K plus 1 into OW vector equals K, K OF plus OB. Now if you remove this multiplication, we get K into OW vector plus OW vector equals KOF plus OB vector. Now in changing them, by taking K one side, we get K OW vector minus K OF vector equals OB vector minus OW vector. Now taking K common, we get OW vector minus OF vector equals OB vector minus OW vector. Now what is the values of OW, OF, OB and OW? We just substitute fielder, wicket keeper, fielder and bowlers. Vector values will write, that is 6i cap plus 12j cap plus 0 k cap minus 12i cap plus 18j cap plus 0 k cap, then equals 2i cap plus 8j cap plus 0 k cap minus 6i cap plus 12j cap plus 0 k cap. So now simplifying this, we get K is 6 minus 12, really minus 6 I cap. Then 12 plus 18 plus 12 and there minus 18. 12 minus 18 is minus 6j. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. That will K, we don't have K. That is 0 K is, no, we don't have value, so we'll write it. Now 2 minus 6 is 4i minus 4i. Then 8 minus 12 is minus 4j and K is 0. So now we have K is minus 4i cap minus 4j cap divided by minus 6i cap I cap minus 6j cap. Now take common minus 4, that will be I cap plus j cap, and take minus 6 common, it will be I cap plus j cap. So this and this will get cancelled. Minus and minus cancel, certainly 4 by 6. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, certainly 2 by 3. So this is the answer for K. Therefore, K equals 2 by 3 is the answer.